continue with the currency exchange APIs, and this time we will create a form on our page here, so you can pick one from and one to currency, and then you will get the value between. And here we have an optional parameter. How much you want to convert from the origin currency. So let's test these endpoints. Yeah, then you get a simple value here. Seems to be plain integer. Does its specification says something about? Okay. So let's start with making two drop downs where you can pick two of these. So let's go to the template. Then we want a form. Let's start with a form. Yeah, look here. We take it. Then we end the form here. This we probably will see. Will be an API call instead. Or maybe not. Let's see. So we have the input text, the amount. Does that name fit well with this one? Q. From 2. So that's we get the same name as what the API wants. Then we of course want this one to be this list. So let's fix that. I'm a bit lazy, so let's just get the answer from here. Let's copy this and see. Can I have the lip? Let's see. Then we have the current. This is gonna be from select the currency. Then we'll have a template loop here. Each quote from quotes. Then we will print the quote here. This option. Then we can just copy these options to 2 since it's going to be the same list. Let's add a label for this one as well. This indentation. Something like this. And let's see how it looks like. And here we have it. Doesn't look great. Then we can pick two that we can convert, but yeah, that does nothing at this point. Oh, nice. That was interesting. Okay, but we can remove this one. We can put the header as this instead. Like this. So now the next step is the currency service. We need to add a new method to convert, to make the exchange and get the converted value. Boom, boom. Is this correct? Let's is all of them query parameters? Params. Let's just do it like this instead. The client, I already have the client. Let's just copy this one. To down here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below if you have any questions about this, any part of this. We have to build the URL and the input parameters. Let's fix them up. Adding two. Not sure, should we take? I guess we can take a string for now. Amount. We can put this one as default, or maybe we don't need to do that. So then we need to get these values into this one. Let's make a maybe we just do it like this. From then putting this, and the Q is the amount. Yeah. So then we have this one. Let's keep it simple and have it as string as long as it's possible. Okay, so now we need a controller to get this value. let's do it like this. Spring controller to parse request params. In this one. So when they come, we need to do we can prepare a string here. Sure. Let's start like this. Then we add that to the model. Let's try and print. Then we can add converted value, perhaps. TH text dollar quote. Boom. See if that works. Error. Okay. It's undefined. Didn't save the file. Let's do that. Let's reload. Boom. We got the converted value, but it's hard-coded at the time being. So let's go back and the quote. If you want to learn more about coding, don't forget to check out my Nerdy Coder Academy. There's also a link in the description for more info about that one. Let's see how I can read this query params. Okay. So then we just have this one. Very nice. Let's add them in the list here. I guess this one is imported automatically. Request param. Then we got this one. They are not required. This is about the amount, actually. And what I want is let's start out with null before you search. This one. Yeah, if these are not null, all of them, Then we get a quote from here and add it. Add it to the model. Simple enough. Let's reload. There we have something. So now if we fill this in, 2 euros to USD, convert. Yeah. Is that correct? Wait a second. Let's get the quote here. Maybe does it work here? USD to number. Okay, so it doesn't work here either, so the API is broken, so it's not my fault. So I guess we can remove the concept of amount for now then. Let's just keep it like this. But let's just let's make it hidden for now. Because it won't do anything. Next step is I would like this one to remember. We do it like this. I guess we first need, we have this one. We need to add them to the model, I guess. At least from, let's try with the from first. From here, add it here, call it from. Let's see if that works. Yeah, nice. Then we can do the same with the to. We add a to currency to the form. This. Then we just add this check here so it will pick the right one. And let's see. USD. And if I remove this part, okay, yeah. So I have to keep this one here, so I get this one. Then when we select, it remembers it. Then we get the converted value here. So that's one way to do a currency converter in Spring Boot with Thymeleaf, or however you pronounce it. So I was thinking we should do some styling with Bootstrap here. So let's add some Bootstrap CSS. Some good UI components that can be used. So let's just... what's the difference between these two? Okay, we just take the CSS for now. Then we will it look any different already? Yeah, look, some styling change. So let's go and check what UI elements we can have for a form, basically. Form. This one looks nice. Let's see, the button looks horrible, so let's try adding this one. So now the button looks a bit nicer. And this divs is one for each row. So let's add that around each input. One here, one here. Then we put the div around like this. Here, yeah, I was confused. Like so. Add some indentation. And let's see how that looks like. A bit better, yes. The next one is, yeah, let's add this form label to all the labels. Like so. See what changes that gives. Some spacing. Form control. Let's add that to the inputs, or the selects, I guess. Okay, let's see how it looks like now. Very nice. A bit nicer. Not sure about the spacing here. Disable. There is actually a class for form select. Let's try that. Let's compare these two. Yeah, you get that arrow, so let's pick that one. Yeah, so let's see, what more nice things can we do? I would like some spacing here. Maybe have this in some nicer format. Input groups. Oh, this one looks pretty cool. or not, I don't know. Here's a lots of stuff. This one maybe. Let's take this one. We're gonna make this one a bit nicer. Like so. Is there any TH if? Quote. Yes, this is just guessing game. I only want to show this one if we have converted something. Yeah, so now if we go here, nobody is converted. Convert this one, and we get this one. I would like to have some kind of margins here. Let's see, I guess that's a container. Let's try adding. Yeah, let's try this then. How that looks like. There you have it. Do they have any margin and padding? Gap. P M. Okay. Let's just try this one then. Row gap 3. Or is that supposed to be? Let's add M2 here. Happens then. If I only want M at the top then. Let's ask Mr. GPT. MT2, okay. Now let's see. There we have it. So that's gonna be it for this time. Let's see what we will make of this next time, or some other product next time. Thanks for watching.